Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome welding videos in the future. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make this blacksmith quench tank. We found this old scrap of square tubing in the shop, and that's what we're going to use to make our quench tank. I'm going to finish today, replace the blade, finish cutting, and then we'll get back to y'all. Sometimes, even though reclaimed materials are cheaper and sometimes easier to get, we gotta do a little extra work to clean them up. So that's why we came over to the porta band to straighten up this cut. For y'all's sake and for your sake, we lowered the volume and sped up these videos of me grinding the quench tank to clean so it's ready to weld. Guys, so as always, we're trying to use repurposed material, and there's always some flaws in there. So we used a light, and we put it in our quench tank to see if we had any leaks. And there was a leak right here. When we put the light in the first time, we just left it there. We spun it around, and we saw some light leaking through right there. So we're gonna put a little weld bead there, finish welding on the base, and we should be done. Let's get into it. Welding. Did you hear why I said welding? Whenever somebody else is in the room and you're about to weld, it's always a good idea to let them know. So if they don't have any welding eye protection on, they always know to look away. We're welding the base plate on so the quench tank doesn't tip over, but obviously these welds have to completely seal it so the oil doesn't pour out. Alright, so now it's test time. Now that we've got it all welded up and cleaned up, we're going to pour some water in to see if when we pour oil in, if the oil will spill out, because we do not want leaking oil everywhere. Looks good so far. Good to me.